For e, x is 1 over t minus 2. I'm going to times that up and bring that down. And so I've got t is 1 over x add 2. And so I'm going to square that. I'm going to tidy it up a little bit more. So I'm going to do 1 plus 2x over x is my value for t. And it tells us that y is equal to t squared. Y is equal to t squared. So y is 1 plus 2x over x all squared. And I really can't be bothered to multiply that out. I mean, we might have to, but that'll do. The domain, we were told that x was going to be greater than 2. If x is greater than 2, then this is always positive, isn't it? So if t is greater than 2, then x is always positive, so x is greater than 0. And if t is greater than 2 there, the y values will always be greater than 4, won't they? Stick a 2 in there, 2 squared being 4. And the last part of this is f. So I've got another fraction, 1 over t plus 1. So let's just swap the places around there. I've got 1 over x, and t is 1 over x, take away 1. Or maybe it will be easier to write 1 minus x over x. And it says y is 1 over t take away 2. Oh, this is going to be fun. So we've got 1 over this one here, 1 minus x over x minus 2. Multi-layered fractions. So what we're going to do to make this nicer is we're going to times top and bottom by x over x. We're allowed to do that because that's equal to 1. And so the top becomes x. This bit here, when we times it by x, is 1 minus x. And this bit here, when we times it by x, is 2x. So my answer here is 1 minus 3x on the bottom. And the range and the domain. So this time we've got t is greater than 2, same as last time. Well, this one's easiest to do, isn't it? So that's going to be y is greater than 0. It's always going to be greater than 0 there. But this one's interesting. If t is greater than 2 here, stick the 2 in. We know it's going to be something to do with a third, don't we? But 1/3 is going to be the highest it ever gets. So x is definitely going to be lower than 1/3, because as you put bigger and bigger numbers in here, it's getting smaller and smaller. So it's going to be a third, a quarter, a fifth, and so on. But there is another end to it as well, that even though this gets bigger and bigger and bigger, it will never go negative. And so x is between 0 and 1/3. Y is greater than 0 at the end there.